Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the password on your HP laptop running Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your system is powered on and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. It's important to let everything boot properly before making any changes to your system settings. Once your PC is ready and you're at your desktop, navigate to the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of the screen and click on it. When the Start menu opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Sign In options and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the security settings where you can manage how you log into your computer. A Sign In options window will appear on your screen. This is where Windows 11 stores all the different ways you can access your account, including passwords, pins, and biometric options. Look through the list for the password option and click on it to expand this section. This option controls the traditional password method that you currently use to unlock your laptop. Under the password icon, you'll see a button labeled Change. Click on this button to begin modifying your password settings. A password prompt window will appear asking you to verify your identity. Simply enter your current password in the field provided and click Next or press Enter. This security step ensures that only you can make changes to your login credentials. Now here's the key part. You'll be presented with fields to enter a new password. To completely remove the password from your HP laptop, simply leave all the fields completely blank. Don't type anything in the new password field, the confirm password field, or the password hint field. Just leave everything empty and click Next. By leaving these fields blank, you're essentially telling Windows 11 that you don't want to set up a password at all. The system will process this change and remove the password requirement from your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed the password from your HP laptop running Windows 11, and you can now log in without entering any credentials. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.